Here's what we can learn from Pearl Thusi. You better be taking notes. Fondly known as Mama Panther, Pearl Thusi is a force to be reckoned with. Since her debut in 2003, when she was first runner-up in the Miss SA teen pageant, she has grown in an admirable way and continues to fly the South African flag high. Her determination, focus, talent, and drive are inspirational, with her many achievements making her a role model for many people on the continent. From her life, we can learn many lessons. Here are just 3. 1. Don't limit yourself. Pearl Thusi has done well, not only in Zanzi, but also on an international level. She has not limited herself to only showcasing her talent within South Africa's borders. In doing so, she managed to bag many international roles, including her role in US hit series Quantico and her lead role on the Netflix drama series Queen Sono. Pushing the limits has allowed the star to grow and work alongside local and international industry giants. 2. Have an eye for opportunities. Many of Pearl's wins can be attributed to her ability to identify and grab opportunities or create them if necessary. Her range of hair care products, Black Pearl, was born in just about the same way. For many years, she had struggled to find a hair care product that could adequately cater for her hair care needs. She then identified a gap in the market and started the Black Pearl range in collaboration with Botanics. In doing so, the star has helped many women who have hair struggles similar to those she used to encounter, and she has secured the bag in the process. 3. Keep it real. Pearl Thusi's grounded nature and realness are what contribute to making her brand genuine and effortless. Staying true to herself has made her survive in the entertainment industry, with her selflessness allowing her to attract even greater victories. We love a queen who is true to herself.
Yeah.